Hello guys, so have you been seeing images or pictures of people's name, people designing their names like this, or so one of those images on your screen, and you're wondering how it is done, or you want one for yourself? I'll be showing you all how to do it. There are two methods to do it. One is the simplest and the easier hack, but the second one is a unique method whereby you tell the image generator exactly how you want your image to be made. So for this particular image generation, we are going to be using a website. We are going to be using ChatGPT. You head over to ChatGPT and you're going to create an account with them. Now, when you create an account with ChatGPT, I already have an account with them, so I will just log into my account, and here is what I'm going to do. So, guys, when ChatGPT is open, you are going to click on this symbol that is here. When you click on it, if you have any image, well, this step is for when you have a particular design you want to recreate, but you want to use your own name for the design. You are going to click here. You're going to click on this symbol and press upload from computer. If you're using your phone, it's going to say upload from your phone gallery. So we are going to click on upload from computer, and then I have some names already, but I want to be using this particular design. You understand? This particular design. I want to be using this particular design. So I'm going to click on it and open it. So this is what you're going to tell ChatGPT. You tell ChatGPT, I want to generate an image like this with my name, Chinaza. You are going to go ahead in this particular image. What was there was Vivian, but you're going to go ahead and tell ChatGPT, I want to generate an image like this with my name, Chinaza. Give me the prompt ideas to generate similar or slightly different image. Then you are going to send it. Guys, when you click send, this is what is going to give you. This is what is going to come out. It's going to say, I want to, when you give ChatGPT that prompt with a image reference you want, it's going to say, here are some prompts to generate slightly different. This is exactly what you're going to see. It has given me lots of prompts I can use to generate my own image. So you're going to come here and copy anyone. You say, you're going to see with this place, they wrote copy code. You can decide to copy it and go to another page. You're going to open another design and say, you are going to go to a website called Leonardo.ai. Click on get started, and this place that is image generation, you click on it. Please guys, this is the example of, I already created this one for someone. That's what. So I want you to look at this setting here, this preset style. You're going to see it on your phone. If you're using a phone, you're going to see somewhere around here where they wrote presets. So when you click on presets, make sure it is in this Leonardo phonics. You're going to, when you click on it, this preset style, you're going to make sure it's in 3D render, and make sure that your settings are exactly how mine is. Now, this particular image dimension is going to be depending on what you want to use the image for. If you want it to be like for YouTube format, you know how YouTube format is, you're going to use it 16 by 9. If you want it for Facebook or Instagram reels, depending on the dimension you want to use it for. But I want this particular one to be in this dimension, so I'm going to click on 1:1 ratio. So the prompt you generated from ChatGPT, you're going to come here and paste it. So when you paste the image, you're going to click on generate. You're going to wait for 15 seconds or more. Make sure that your settings are like this, please. Our settings should be like this, 3D, so that if you do not make your settings like this, it's not going to give you exact image. It's not going to give you this 3D image that you want. And now we have some beautiful designs. We have some beautiful designs like this. You can see how beautiful and classy they are. As you can see, look at the designs we've made. Look at the designs we made. Isn't it pretty? So that is how it is. Now, if you do not have any reference image already and you want to create your own prompt from if you and you want to create your own prompt from the beginning, you are going to also go back to the ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, So guys, if you do not already have a reference image like I thought I talked about in the first teaching, if you do not have a reference image and you want to create your own prompt from scratch, this is what you're going to tell ChatGPT. You're going to say create a 3D image design with the name GK with luxurious and stylish fonts. You're going to make sure you tell the AI image you're going to add this so that it's going to shine and be colorful in the eyes. You're going to tell it to have 3D lettering and designs with gemstones. You can add um and feathers or crown feather. So this is what is going to give us this. If you can see, we didn't add any reference image to this particular. We didn't add any reference image to this particular prompt before. We didn't add any reference image before ChatGPT gave us this particular prompt. So you're going to also go ahead and copy the code and come to your Leonardo.ai and also paste it. You're going to paste it and send it. Now we all can see that it has also given us our image. So that is how we are going to do. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.